All right, Raphael Bernal. Oh, Mr. Bernal.
No.
Hi. So you want a jury trial, is that correct?
Yeah, I was out for 8 months.
No. Here's my question. Legally, I'm not supposed to hear what plea negotiations y'all have made because legally those are supposed to be confidential.
Right.
So I'm gonna wash my brain of what you just said. So my only question for you is, are you reaching an agreement with the state or do you want a jury trial? That's either yes, I want a jury trial, or no, I don't want a jury trial.
Right off the bat, we see the judge clarifying the confidentiality of plea negotiations, a crucial legal boundary. Then comes the big question: jury trial or plea deal? This moment sets the stage for tension. Will Bernal stand firm or fold? What would you do if you were in his shoes?
All right, so here's the thing. We've been here on this train before. So the train stops here. Do you want to, if you want a jury trial, I will give you a jury trial. So do you want,
Lawyer.
well, do you have money for an attorney?
No.
All right, then that's where we are. This is your attorney.
No,
All right, so you're gonna represent yourself?
no, you can hire me another attorney.
No,
Judge, respectfully, I'm sorry. Can I speak to my client for a second?
yes.
Mr. Bernal, can you step over, please? Step away from me.
Working here. No, she just said, they don't send you to prison just because you don't have money. I don't have money, I need another attorney.
All right, let me
Hire me
stop.
another attorney.
Oh, no, just 1 second. Let me ask you this.
Yes, Judge,
Are you appointed or retained?
appointed.
All right, you're appointed. So what that means is that the government, the state of Texas, the taxpayers, because you can't afford an attorney, had this attorney appointed to represent you.
Right.
So this is your attorney. If you want
Not
another,
representing me.
Mr.
if you
Bernal,
want another attorney,
Yes.
then you need to hire one.
Here's the classic dilemma: appointed counsel versus private attorney. The judge is laying down the law. If you want a new lawyer, you gotta pay. It's a harsh reality many face, highlighting the limits of public defense. Does this raise fairness issues for you?
How?
I have no idea. All right.
You don't have no idea.
Judge, may I present the case?
I'm telling you
May I go
now.
forward and try to represent him? He has,
No, you
I think he's
appoint me
upset.
another lawyer.
I think he's upset, and it's possible that I mentioned before, he's very knowledgeable. He knows a lot of the law. It's old law. I've tried to update him on some of the laws, on some of the charges that he has had in the past, and the charge we're talking about today, which is burglary of the building. I
It's a
explained the
repeat.
different, I explained the
That
difference.
time I was here before.
Mr. Bernal, can you-
No, I need to explain.
So what I
It
would
was
like
the
to do right
same
now, Judge.
thing, burglary of a building, and it was dismissed. And
is-
now it's a repeater.
Let me ask you something, Mr. Bernal.
Yes,
You're Raphael Bernal?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I just said it.
No, what do you want to say? We're here to listen because you keep interrupting your counsel. So nobody's going to say anything. I'm going to let you speak. What is it that you want me to know?
Bernal tries to speak, but the judge shuts down interruptions. Courtroom decorum is no joke. Staying silent is strategic, but frustrating when you're desperate to be heard. Ever felt ignored when you just wanted a chance to explain yourself?
What did you not hear?
I didn't hear any of it.
Why not? Everybody heard.
No, they did not.
You didn't hear it.
No, they said they did not. So what is it you hear?
Mr. Bernal. Judge, can we get a second, please? I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Sometimes, counsel, I understand where you are, but sometimes when people don't get their way, they behave childlike, which is fine.
I'm
So
not
this is what's going
I'm
to
64 years
Counsel.
old. I'm older than you.
counsel this. Well, you assume that. Counsel,
What do you
this
mean I assume that?
counsel,
Sorry.
this is what's going to end up happening. You're going to go to jury trial. You will be his attorney. If he doesn't want to take your advice or listen to you, then he doesn't take your advice or listen to you. But people need to realize
You're
that when you're
conspiring
appointed,
against me.
people need to realize that when you're
That's bullshit.
when you're appointed an
She's
attorney,
working against me.
Mhm.
You're working against me. The district attorney is working against me. And you're not listening to me.
Yeah.
And everybody hears me. Hey, look, now they're gonna assault me. Yeah, you don't need to do that.
court is calling 2023 CR 11027A, State versus Victor Javier Escobar, Can I have parties announced?
Good luck for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Teresa Max Vasquez for the defense.
And are you Victor Javier Escobar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Victor Javier Escobar who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 11027A for the offense of burglary of a building on January 3rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Transition to Victor Javier Escobar's case. Deferred adjudication, probation violations, and serious consequences loom. Watch how the court balances the plea deal with the defendant's rights. It's a sharp reminder that probation isn't just a slap on the wrist, it's a contract with serious strings attached.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Victor Javier Escobar did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of March 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead, true or not true?
True.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations. Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court would find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True.
Yes.
No, do you still wish to proceed
Oh, yes. Your Honor.
with your plea of truth?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. You may have an agreement with the state and the defense, but the court doesn't have to follow whatever agreement that you've reached. Do you understand?
Your Honor.
Because probation is a contract with the court. It's not a contract with your attorney or the contract with the state. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement does not go in line with probation's recommendation, but we are recommending you grant the state's motion, adjudicate defendants. We're asking for a sentence under 1244A, 180 days, Bexar County Jail.
All right.
That is correct, Judge.
Are you asking me to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, was there any restitution owed to the complainant, Andrew Fraught?
Judge, I don't think that.
All right.
Notice the judge's stern warning. A felony conviction changes everything. No weapons, no appeals, and a permanent mark on your record. This moment is a reality check. Easy way out, sure, but the consequences echo long after jail time. How would a felony affect your life? Ending on a surprisingly human note, the judge offers support for sobriety and re-entry resources. It's rare but refreshing to see compassion in a courtroom, a glimmer of hope amidst tough sentences. What role do you think judges should play beyond sentencing?
The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There should be no contact with Andrew Fraught, Fraught. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I understand that this is the easy way out for you because you do your time, you're done. But now you have a conviction on your record. It's a felony. If you pick up another charge, depending on the level of felony it is, this may be used for purposes of enhancement. So this is going to follow you around wherever you go. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a drug or alcohol problem, you better get a handle on that. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself spending a lot of time at somebody's jail and in somebody's prison.
Yes.
When you're released, if you are, going to really get sober and take care of everything and you can't find a place, a sober house or something, you can always come back here. If I'm here, I'll make sure I find a place for you. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
All
you.
right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.